Today, we're excited to introduce our company, HACCP, a Hong Kong-based manufacturer with a state-of-the-art facility located just a short drive from Hong Kong in southern China. With an impressive turnover of around $5 million USD, we employ 120 dedicated workers across 8,000 square meters of production space. Our factory is fully equipped with BRC and HACCP certifications, ensuring that we meet the highest food safety standards. We pride ourselves on our sustainable packaging solutions, offering a wide range of options certified as compostable and recyclable. Our customer base is diverse, spanning across continents including Australia, the UK, the USA, France, Singapore, and Japan. We cater to businesses of all sizes, from Fortune 500 companies to small online shops like Spotify, providing flexible solutions that meet varying order quantities without any minimum requirements. Our advanced digital printing technology, featuring the HP Indigo 25000 model, allows us to produce vibrant and high-quality prints with unlimited color options. Additionally, we offer economical long-run printing through our flexographic printing capabilities. At Pouch.eco, we understand that each customer has unique needs based on their products and sales channels. Some sell online, while others distribute through supermarkets. This is why we provide a comprehensive range of packaging types, including stand-up pouches and flat-bottom bags, made from conventional and bio-based materials. We invite you to reach out via email or phone so we can discuss your specific packaging requirements. Our team is eager to share successful case studies from other clients and provide personalized advice tailored to your project. Let's work together to find the most suitable sustainable packaging solutions for your business. Thank you for joining us today.